Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of Chillen Media Audiovisual Production Guide. On today's edition, we are going to be showcasing some of our full HD and 4K equipment.
Chillen Media, a multimedia and communication company with our prime objective: provide professional audiovisual services like music recordings, video coverages, and photography, TV branding, TV installation and programming. Provide media content to your TV, and it's a professional advertisement agency. You can contact us using the number 697 87 29 76 or 677 29 13 00. C Media. Creativity is never enough.
Right here in front of me, we have many different kinds of lenses, ND filters, cameras, etc. And on this edition, I am not going to go detailedly on some of this equipment because we are going to have another lessons where we are going to highlight detailedly some of the use and the importance of each and every one of this equipment. On the left hand side, we'll start with this ND filter. This is the latest DJI Phantom 4 Pro drone. Thank you for watching, and for more information about us, log on to www.chillenmedia.com. I'll contact the numbers on the screen and register for a professional training program in audiovisual and television production. I am Nkwain Chiambah, and this is Chillen Media Audiovisual and Television Production Guide. Stay tuned for more editions.
For more information on our equipment rentals, visit our website www.chillenmedia.com. Click on rentals to view all the equipment and studio workspaces we have for hiring and their rates. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to our blog for more videos and updates. Also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. If you're watching this on YouTube, please like and subscribe to our channel.